What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to detail and dress an engine bay on this Volvo XC70. So the chemicals and tools you're gonna need for this job is a degreaser if you have a lot of oil stains. I'm gonna be using a pH neutral snow foam, as well as an all-purpose cleaner, Car Pro Pearl to dress the engine bay. I'm going to be using a microfiber mitt, a variety of detailing brushes, as well as a big plush microfiber towel. So let's get started. Before you soak anything with water, I'm going to be protecting the alternator with a plastic bag, just to avoid it from getting completely soaked in water. And that's the only thing in the engine bay I'm gonna be protecting, because there's a lot of plastic covers on everything. And all the loose dirt and leaves, as you can see here, I'm gonna be removing by hand, as well as a air compressor. Compressed air is a really great tool for this. It's not mandatory, but if you have access to it, I strongly recommend it. And I'm not gonna be using a power washer for this. I'm just gonna be using a regular garden hose and misting everything down with water. That's perfectly sufficient for this job. One good tip that I can give you is to do the engine detail before you do the exterior wash of the car, because you are gonna get a lot of splatter and dirty water on the paint. So do the exterior wash after the engine detail. This brush right here is actually a radiator cleaner, not those kind of radiators you have on your car, but the kind of radiators you have at home. I like it because it's really thin and very long, so you can reach into some really hard to get areas, and you can also bend it how you want. And on these flat, more shiny surfaces, I'm using the microfiber mitt. I can cover a big area really quick. I just feel it's unnecessary to use a small detailing brush to go over a big area like this. And the biggest tip I can give you really on when you're detailing an engine bay is just to take your time. There's a lot of small parts and a lot of crevices in an engine bay, so just take your time and go over everything, and there's really no shortcut to it. And once again, you don't need to have an air compressor. I'm just blowing off the majority of the water right here. Most of the drying is going to be with a towel anyways. And if you want to, you can use some spray wax to both dry and protect the painted surfaces. If you liked what you saw, feel free to hit that subscribe button and like the video. See you next time.